Have you ever heard of product demographics, sometimes called the target audience? Product demographics is a collection of the characteristics of the people who buy the product or service. Knowing such information as age, gender, and the income can help companies sell more products, do better targeted advertising, and create new products that appeal to target buyers. In this video, you will learn how to use pivot tables to describe the demographic of people who purchase a product. Let's take a look at the ESPN dataset from the Marketing Analytics, written by Wayne Winston. This dataset has demographic information on a randomly chosen sample of 1,024 subscribers to ESPN the magazine. The first listed subscriber is a 72-year-old male living in a rural location with an annual family income of $72,000, and so on. First, let us do a simple analysis to analyze the individual demographic factor of subscribers, for example, age, income, gender, or location. Place your cursor anywhere in the data cells. From the Insert tab, select Pivot Table. Select the data and click OK. The pivot table field list will appear. This time, we drag age to both row box and values box. Unfortunately, Excel assumes that you want to calculate the sum of ages. Here we want to display the percent values. Double-click the Sum of Ages heading, and change the sum of age to count of age. Select Show Values As and then select Percent of Column Total, then click OK. Right-click on any listed age in the pivot table and select Group. Here, you can change the starting value, ending value, and values of increments. Now let's create a column chart to summarize the age distribution of subscribers. Place your cursor anywhere in the pivot table, click Insert, then select Pivot Chart. You can choose any of Excel's chart options to summarize the data. Let's select the bar option, then click OK. This bar chart shows that most of the magazine's subscribers are in the 18 to 47 age group. This knowledge can help ESPN find the right TV shows to advertise that target with the right age demographics. Similarly, you can analyze other demographic variables individually, like income, location, and gender. However, more often, marketers may want to break down customer demographics simultaneously on two attributes, for example, age and income. Such an analysis is called a crosstabs analysis. Crosstabs analysis enable companies to identify specific combinations of customers' demographics that can be used for a more precise allocation of their marketing investments, such as advertising and promotion expenditures. More importantly, crosstabs analysis can help firms determine where the company should not invest. In the pivot table, we want the income show on the left-hand column and the age show on the top row. Drag the age field to the column box and the income field to the row box. And drag income field to the values box as well. Right-click any income range, and then select Group. You can change the parameters here according to your needs. Finally, right-click and then select Value Field Settings, select Show Values As, this time, we select Percent of Row Total. The pivot table shows, for example, 28.13% of subscribers in the $54,000 to $78,000 bracket are in the 28 to 37 age group. There are hardly any subscribers to ESPN, the magazine, that are 78 or older, or with household income above $229,000. The implication of this finding is that placing ads on TV shows that are heavily watched by wealthy retirees is not recommended. Using how-to examples, my channel aims to teach you business analytics, including concepts, methodologies, and tools. If you are interested to learn how to use analytics to solve real business issues, please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.